Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Facebook account with your Riot games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in riotgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Riot Games website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on My Account at the top right and then click on Settings. From the Settings page, if you scroll a little bit down, then you will see the Facebook button alongside Connected Accounts. Click on Facebook and this will take you into your Facebook page. If you haven't logged into your Facebook account already, you will just need to enter your credentials. So just log into Facebook and you will see the Continue As button. Click on this button and once you provide your confirmation, your Facebook will be connected to your Riot Games account. If you wish to disconnect it, you can simply click on the minus icon alongside Facebook and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to disconnect your Facebook with your Riot Games account. Click on the Yes Disconnect option if you are sure and it will be disconnected right away. And there you have it. That is how you can connect your Facebook account along with your Riot Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.